So this is a two-step process as per Manus. The first one is generate the elephant at Disneyland image, and then second step is deliver the image to the user. And did you know there is an AI tool that can do your work for you? I'm not talking about writing some content or some generic posts. This one can research, analyze spreadsheets, write reports, or even build websites. Not just that, it can also do web search as though your team member would do it for you. Welcome to day 238 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today, we are going to explore Manus AI, an AI tool developed by Chinese company called Monica. Launched in March 2025, designed to handle complex multi-step automation process without much of human intervention. Unlike traditional chatbots, which requires constant prompting, Manus can plan, execute, and refine all by itself, like a true assistant capable of making informed decisions. So in today's video, we will explore some of the key features of Manus AI and see if it lives up to the hype. So let's get started. To begin with, head over to manus.im/login and sign up with Google. Select your account, and that's all. You're all ready. So double credit promotions, double credit on all plans. So they are doing some promotional offer where basic plan 1900 additional credits monthly, and plus plan 3900 additional credits monthly, and pro plan will be plus 19,900 additional credits monthly. So I'll close it for now. And as we can see, we can create slides, we can create images, we can create videos, we can create audio files, we can also create web pages, and we can see some playbooks that are already available. So they have a adaptive option, which is basically intelligently adapt whether it is for instant answers or agent executions. And then we have agent, we have chat. So this one is a combination of these two. Basis what we are asking it to do, it'll understand whether it needs to be a agentic process or it's a normal chat. As we can see, we have 1300 credits available. So 1000 free credits plus 300 daily refresh credits. So let's start with our first example, a very simple one. It's actually searching for all possible things. And if you closely observe here, it has come to the agent mode because it understood that it is doing some research and refinement and stuff like that. So it has automatically switched to the agent mode in this particular case. And you could see that this is in step 2 out of 3 right now, which is basically analyze and compile findings into comprehensive report. So it's generating the report right now of whatever it has got from the internet. And now it is in step 3 of 3, which is basically to share the report. So top 5 most used AI tools of 2025. It has generated a report of 5 pages, and we can see introduction, what is the methodology, top 5 most used AI tools, and it says that it is ChatGPT. OpenAI is the first one, and then Google Gemini second, Claude is the third one, Grok is the fourth one, and GitHub Copilot is the fifth one. It has also given all the details of this particular research that it has done for us. You can share this with others, right? By default, it will be publicly accessible, which is anyone with the link can view it. Okay, if you share it, of course. And of course, you can download this report as well. So I'll close this for now, and let's go to the next one. So I'll go to new task, and here is where we are going to do our next task, which is search around and understand the history and advancements of ChatGPT. Then write a narration story to create a YouTube video, generate a full human-like audio voiceover for it, and finally create a thumbnail that visually represents the evolution of ChatGPT from the beginning to now. I'll hit on enter. Now, normally, if you do this on any other AI tools, then you would have to give a lot of details like, okay, do it this way, do it that way, or include this, include that. It will keep asking you a lot of questions, right? And you may have to use one tool to generate the script and the other tool to create an audio, some other tool maybe to generate your thumbnails and so on and so forth. But here you just give one single prompt and it will refine, understand, and ensure that the entire thing that we have mentioned is taken care of. So let's wait and watch if it actually does that. As we can see, it has broken down the entire task into 5 steps, and right now it is in step number 1. And there you go, it's already in the step number 2, which is write narration story for YouTube video. Okay, it has asked us response here whether it needs to be a male voice or female voice. Let's go with male voice. I'll click on confirm. So it'll work and take it further. It has generated the entire script over here along with visual details, and it is right now generating the audio for the same. As we can see, we have like 5 chapters in this particular script, and the audio for 2 of the chapters is ready. It's generating the third chapter right now. And there you go, it generated the audio for all the 5 chapters, and within no time it has actually reached step 4. Right now it is creating the thumbnail representing ChatGPT evolution. So let's see how the thumbnail will look like for this particular YouTube video that we are generating, or rather Manus is helping us generate. And there you go, evolution of ChatGPT. This is the thumbnail that it has come up with. So let's see how the audio sounds like.
Rapidly accelerating world of artificial intelligence. Few innovations have captured the public imagination quite like ChatGPT. From its humble beginnings as a research...
Okay, not bad. So we've got the 5 chapters, and all files in the task can be done from here. And you can see that Manus has completed the current task, and I would assume that it has done a great job, right? Now, let's explore a couple of more things before we can wind up. I'll go to the new task and ask it to generate a very simple personal portfolio website with sections for my projects, about me, and contact information. So we have seen a lot of vibe coding platforms, and we have asked it to generate the personal portfolio. So let's see how Manus does this job for us. Again, it has broken this down into 5-step process, while step 1 is already done and it has moved on to the second step. Looking at all of this, I keep wondering, like, where are we moving? Like, you just have to give a prompt and within no time things are getting done. So what will be the primary role of a human then? I don't know, only we have to wait and watch. Time will tell us what we are supposed to do. So it has silently moved to step 3 and step 4 already. So you can see that it is actually testing the website locally and making some final adjustments. And there you go, it's almost done. Okay, you can see here it's browsing through the local host, and then it's scrolling down to check each of the sections, so if it's come out well or not. You can see here, test navigation by clicking the about section. So it's actually testing each of the things one by one, and wherever it feels that it is not working fine, it's actually editing the file. This is precisely how we would have done it if we were to do the testing of the landing page, right? So it's actually thinking something, and Manus will continue working after your reply. So it's asked us something. Allow Manus to deploy the website publicly. Okay, yes, allow for this task, let's say. Okay, everything is ready. So this is the link that our website is. So if you click on that, it actually takes you to that particular website, and you can see that We have the logo here, or like portfolio as a text. Hi, I'm John Doe, passionate full stack developer creating beautiful and functional web experiences. View my work, get in touch, home, about, project, contact. If I click on about, it will take me to the about section, which has some details with some taglines. We can also change the image. We have the project section, e-commerce platform, task management app, weather dashboard, and so on and so forth. It also has some tags here as to what were the things that we used, like tech stack. It also has a demo button. Okay, and we have the contact screen where they can add their name, email address, and some message before they can send a message. This looks pretty neat, right? I mean, this was built in less than 5 minutes. That's crazy. What do you think? Isn't it? Okay, now let's do one last trial, which is to generate image. So create an image of an elephant walking through Disneyland at sunset. Okay, and I'll hit enter. Let's see what Manus has in store for us. So this is a two-step process as per Manus. The first one is generate the elephant at Disneyland image, and then second step is deliver the image to the user. And there you go. The elephant is actually walking in the Disneyland when the sun is setting. Nice. I'm not sure if it's realistic, but it's still okay. Good. Honestly, Manus AI is one of the most promising AI tools that I have tested in this series. From generating reports to websites to scripts, it has done a decent job in all of the things that we tested in this video. Don't you think? Does this mean that it can take away all of our jobs and do all by itself in real? Probably not. What we have tested is very simple things. The output in most of the cases might not be perfect, but it is good enough, right? So if you think that you need some report to be generated on a particular topic, go to Manus and give it a try. And let us know in the comments below as to what was your experience like. Did you like the report? Did you not like the report? Or what are your thoughts? And of course, if you want us to explore any other tool and make a video out of it, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.